for balancing with the SVA90. We go to balancer. So we use these arrows here to navigate. We go to balancing, okay. We go to menu, create a new project. We say A, project A, okay. We go in and define now how we like to proceed. We have one plane balancing, so for this one I will use only this plane and this sensor. As well, you can perform two plane balancing. This is the same procedure, only you have to calibrate with two planes, not only one. You can define your image of your overhang rotor or intermediate rotor. So we have rotor within the bearings. We look from the right here. This is important for the navigation of the angle of correction. Rotation is, we can also define this. We are rotating, I have to check it. Okay, we are rotating anti-clockwise. Point channel 1, correct. Remove the trial weight after calibration, yes. And we add correction weight. We are not using components, but we could say, okay, we have 12 different positions. If we have, for example, threatened bores, so we use weights to screw in. But in our case, we will not use components. We single measuring mode, yes. Resolution of speed is okay, it's standard and safe. So we have this mode, and what we perform first is the initial run. So now he is measuring. So we have 14.4 millimeters per second. This is done. We continue with the next step, and we see he is saying trial weight. We go now here in and type in our weight is, we go here and say our weight is 2. If you have to delete, you go to F1 and 9 and 7. Yeah, so F1 and 7 is to delete, and then you click again and 2.4 gram, yes. On the angle of 0, and very important is with the trial weight, you define your 0 for the correction later. This is very important. Okay, you save and you stop your machine and put in your 2.4 gram at your 0. Okay, we say our 0 is, for example, say our 0 is the 6. We start again. Now we pushed start. He's measuring now the vibration. He says 7.5. So we say it's okay. So we have calibrated. We go next. remove the trial weight. This is very important because we set in the settings we have to remove it. So we open again our rotor and we remove the trial weight we put on the 6. So, and now he's suggesting to put 2.6 gram at 330. 330, and you see you're almost at the 0. So if you take this picture and with the arrow, and you see the 0 is 6. So you have actually, and we have the rotating direction like this. So this would be 30, and this would be 330. So we put some weight in. I have to admit I have not measured this correctly, so maybe the result will be not perfect, but you can do it with a good scale and good weights. So correction, you go next, and you see you are in the correction run 1. You start your machine, and if the speed is reached, you say start. Oh, it was quite okay. 0.8 millimeters per second. This is a quite nice result. Yeah. So he will continue the process as you like, but I would say in this one I'm happy with the results. I go to menu and say report saved. Okay, and you can also save a CSV file. And now if you connect your device to the computer, you will have in the report folder your 2 files. In the balancing report folder you will have 2 files, one Excel file with the CSV data and one Word file with your balancing report. And this is it.